Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about debit loan. Okay, so first at all, open the Google and search top of the screen about debit loan. Okay, so now search here about debt loan. Okay, debt, what it is and how it's work and how it's debt is something, usually money owned by one party to another. Debt is usually by many individuals or companies to make large purchases that they could not afford under their circumstances. Unless a debt is forgiven by the lender, it must be paid back, typically with added interest. Okay, debt is something one party owns and other, typically money. Companies and individuals often take on debt to make large purchases they could not afford without it. Okay, debt can be secured or unsecured with a fixed end date or revolving. Okay, consumers can borrow money through loans or lines of credit, including credit cards. Corporations can also issue debt in the form of bonds to raise capital. Okay, how debt works. Okay, the most common forms of debt are loans, including mortgages, okay, auto loans and personal loans, okay, as well as credit card. Okay, so under the term of most loans, the borrower receives a set amount of money, which a set amount of money okay amount of money. Okay, that is also, and the term of loan will also stipulate the amount of interest that the borrower is required to pay, expressed as a percentage of the loan amount. Interest compensates the lender for taking on the risk of the loan. Okay, so an example of debit. Okay, when students take out federal student loans to pay for college, they will receive a certain sum of money that they agree to pay back in the future with interest. Okay, student now have the option of several different repayment plans. Okay, if they choose what's known as the standard repayment plan, they will be required to make fixed monthly payments for 10 years, at which point their debit will be completely paid off. Okay, each of those monthly payments will represent a portion of the principal they own plus interest on their debt. The interest rate on federal students loan for undergraduates is currently 4.99%. Type of consumer debt. Okay, debt can come in a variety of forms, each with their own uses and requirements. Most type of debt fall into one or more of the following categories. Okay, secured debt, okay, unsecured debt, okay, revolving debt, mortgages. A mortgages is a type of secured debt used to purchase real estate, such as a house or condo. Mortgages are usually paid back over long periods, such as 15 or 10 in 30 years. Mortgages are often the largest debt, apart from student loans, that consumers will ever take on. They came in many different varieties. Two broad categories are fixed rate mortgages and adjustable rate mortgages, or ARMs. In the case of ARMs, the interest rate can change periodically, usually based on the performance of a particular index. Okay, type of corporate debt. Companies that want to borrow money have some options that are not available to individual consumers. In addition to loan from a bank or other lender, they are often able to issue bond and commercial papers. Okay, bonds are debt instruments that allow a company to borrow funds from investors by promising to repay the money with interest. Both individuals and investment firms can purchase bonds, which typically carry a fixed interest or coupon rate. If a company needs to raise $1 million to fund the purchase of new equipment. For example, it could issue 1,000 bonds with a face value of 1,000 each. Okay, so guys, I hope you also like this video. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.
हेलो वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में आप सब लोगों को करती हूँ खुशामदीद। जो भी लोग मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं या फिर पहले से हैं लेकिन अब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक नहीं करा तो कर दीजिए। आज मैं जस्ट टॉपिक और जिस अमेजिंग वेबसाइट के रिलेटेड बात करूँगी और डिस्कस करूँगी। तो इस साइट का नेम कॉलिन सेवल बैंक है, जो हमें गाइडेंस फराहम करेगा अबाउट लोन इंश्योरेंस। सही, तो क्या है और किस रिलेटेड वो नॉलेज दे रहा है, तमाम बातें मैं डिस्कस करूँगी। बेसिकली ये मॉर्गेजेस एंड होम इक्विटी लोन्स के रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन देगा। तो सिंपली आप गूगल क्रोम ब्राउज़र के थ्रू ओपन वगैरह कर सकते हैं और यहाँ से फिर नॉलेज वगैरह अचीव कर सकते हैं। इनके मेन्यू में भी काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी अबाउट पर्सनल बिजनेस, रेट्स समेत रिसोर्सेज और स्टोरी के रिलेटेड भी। मॉर्गेजेस एंड होम इक्विटी लोन्स। Colin Swift Bank, a division of Northwest Community Bank, mortgage and home equity loans. Purchasing a home is a major event if you are buying your first home, upsizing, downsizing, or financing a vacation home. Colin Swift Bank, a division of Northwest Community Bank, has loan options for you. We make the process as smooth and convenient as possible. You work directly with decision makers. We listen, look at the big picture, and consider much more than your credit reports. Some mortgages and home equity loans भी है, जो कि from first and second mortgages to home equity lines of credit. We can assist you in making the choices that are most beneficial to you. Fixed rate mortgages, our traditional 10, 15, 20 and 30 years loans are great options. This is the features include same payments every month, interest rate fixed for life of loan, options to fit your needs. Other terms and conditions may apply subject to credit approval. सही, जिसमें एडजस्टेबल रेट मॉर्गेजेस है, लोअर इंटरेस्ट रेट्स एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ दिस लोन्स मेक दिस मॉर्गेजेस अफोर्डेबल एंड कन्वीनियंट. लो rate at beginning of term, fixed rate at beginning of term, variable rate thereafter. सही, यानी कि options to fit your needs, other terms and conditions may apply subject to credit approval. Whether you would like to remodel your home, finance a college education, or take that dream vacation, tapping into the equity in your home can help you implement your plans. Fixed rate options भी हैं, options to fit your needs, available on owner occupied 1 to 4 family homes. Other terms and conditions may apply subject to credit approval. HELC said home equity lines of credit. With a Northwest Community Bank home equity line of credit, you are able to utilize the equity in your home. Revolving line of credit, variable rate options, interest only during the first 10 years, options to fit your needs. So hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. हेलो वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में आप सब लोगों को करती हूँ खुशामदीद। जो भी लोग मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं या फिर पहले से हैं लेकिन अब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक नहीं करा, फौरी तौर पर कर दीजिए। आज मैं जिस टॉपिक और जिस अमेजिंग वेबसाइट के रिलेटेड आपसे डिस्कस करूँगी और आपको बताऊँगी, सो अपना वीडियो के साथ ही रहना, वीडियो कोई पार्ट मिस नहीं करना है। आज मैं किस रिलेटेड आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगी। इस साइट का नेम UK Go है, जिसका डोमेन .com है। सही। सो क्या है ये अमेजिंग साइट जिसके थ्रू आप इंश्योरेंस वगैरह अचीव कर सकते हो? कैसे इसको ओपन करोगे? ओपन करने के लिए गूगल क्रोम ब्राउज़र के सर्च बार पे जाना है। जो साइट का नेम है वो लिखना है withdomain.com। जैसे लिखा पूरी साइट फर्स्ट पे, आगे बंद करके हम गो पे गए तो मेरे पास ये पूरी की पूरी साइट एज इट इज़ वे में ओपन होकर आ जाएगी। क्योंकि फाइंड योर यूके इंश्योरेंस डील प्रोवाइड करेगी सेफ टाइम्स एंड मनी, कंपेयर इंश्योरेंस क्वाइट्स एंड फाइंड द राइट पॉलिसी फॉर यू। Car insurance is a legal requirement for all UK drivers. Car insurance can be quick and easy to find when you compare quality insurance quotes. इसमें होम इंश्योरेंस भी है। Home insurance in the UK is usually a combination of two insurance policies, building insurance and contents insurance. Compare quotes and find the right combination for you. Landlord buy-to-let insurance, also known as buy-to-let insurance, landlord insurance, will protect your rental income and your tenants if you are renting out a property. Van insurance is larger engines and higher annual mileage can often push up premiums for van owners. So make sure you are getting the best deal by comparing quotes. जिसमें मोटर होम इंश्योरेंस भी है, क्योंकि यू ऑल नीड specialist motor home insurance to get out and about on the road in the UK. Compare policies and protect your vehicle for the right prices. Campervan insurance is, it's not a van, it's a campervan. Get the right insurance at the right price and enjoy your adventures knowing you and your comparer are covered. सही, जिसमें गेट क्वाइट्स आप अचीव कर सकते हो। कैरावन इंश्योरेंस भी है। टूरिंग कैरावंस, स्टैटिक कैरावंस एंड इवन ट्रेलर टेंट्स कैन ऑल बी कवर्ड विद अ स्पेशलिस्ट कैरावन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी। ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस, डोंट टेक द रिस्क ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग without insurance. Protect yourself from considerable expense and worry and keep costs down with a policy suited to your holiday habits. Medical travel insurance is, if you have a pre-existing medical conditions, travel insurance can be even more important but might feel harder to find. It does not have to be. There are special insurance providers here to help. So ये थी नॉलेज जिसके बारे में मैंने बेसिक चीज़ आपको बताएं। सो होप सो आज की पूरी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। तो वीडियो को लाइक और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। चलती हूँ, मिलूँगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में आप सब लोग करती हूँ खुशामदीद। सो जो भी लोग मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं, यहाँ पर पहले से हैं लेकिन अब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक नहीं करा तो कर दीजिए। सो आज मैं जिस टॉपिक और जिस अमेजिंग वेबसाइट के रिलेटेड बात करूँगी, सो आपने वीडियो के साथ रहना है और वीडियो को कोई पार्ट मिस नहीं करना है। सो आज इंश्योरेंस के हवाले से जिस साइट का रिव्यू करेंगे, सो उसका नेम एटलस इंश्योरेंस है, जिस पे वेलकम हो चुका है। सो यहाँ से आप कैसे इसको ओपन करेंगे इस पेज को अपने मोबाइल पे, फिर किस किस मेथड्स और तरीक़ेकार से आप अचीवमेंट और नॉलेज अचीव करोगे। सो लेट्स गो। सिंपली गूगल क्रोम ब्राउज़र पे जाना है और जो साइट का नेम है वो लिखना है आपने अली एटलस विद डोमेन .pk। जैसे लिखा पूरी साइट फर्स्ट पे, आंखें बंद करके मैं गो पे गई तो मेरे पास ये पूरी की पूरी साइट एज इट इज़ वे में ओपन होकर आ जाएगी। सही, तो मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें फराहम करेगी अबाउट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, जिनके आप अबाउट एट से लेके इनकी मेन्यू की काफ़ी चीज़ें देख सकते हो। द कंपनी, जो कि वॉज फाउंडेड इन 1934 डॉक्टर सर मोहम्मद इकबाल हकीम अल उम्मत एंड इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ऑफ पाकिस्तान। The company was taken over by the Atlas Group in 1980. The company has made steady progress since its acquisitions by the Atlas Group. Sorry. Why Atlas Insurance? Basically, Atlas Insurance is one of the oldest insurance companies in Pakistan. The company was taken over by Atlas Group in 1980. Atlas Insurance Ltd is a financially sound and professionally managed company and has strong reinsurance arrangements with leading reinsurers of the world. To learn more about Atlas Insurance, click the buttons. This is our product says stories and informations to help you plan, prepare and protect what matters most. Motor insurance, travel insurance, फायर इंश्योरेंस और यहाँ से बहुत सी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी, मराइन इंश्योरेंस वगैरह. Investor says stories and information to help you plan, prepare and protect what matters most. Investors के relations, associated companies, financial statements, growth at a glance समेत election of directors. सही. इसमें गैरी वेंस फंक्शंस भी हैं. In case you have any complaints or grievance against Atlas Insurance, any of our salespersons, agents, brokers, surveyors, or any of our banking partners in respect of your insurance policy or claim, click here for more details. Claim. This is stories and informations to help you plan, prepare and protect what matters most. General claim procedures. This receive covers claims that have been incurred but not yet reported to the company. Claim information forms intimations की. Customers told us the things they dislike most. Insurance we listen and create it. So hope so like this video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.